Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Podcast by MrZ. This is the place where we talk, laugh, and learn English together. I am your host, Mr. Z, and today I have a wonderful co-host with me. She is friendly, organized, and always corrects me. Please welcome Olivia.
Hello, everyone. I am so happy to be here today. And Mr. Z, I do not always correct you.
You corrected me 3 times last episode.
Okay, maybe a little.
Today, we have a really fun topic. We're talking about daily life and daily routines.
Yes, and this is something everyone can relate to. Everyone has a daily routine, even if it is a little different each day.
Exactly. So stay with us. This episode is for you. But first, let me ask you something. Do you wake up in the morning feeling ready and happy, or do you press snooze 5 times and still feel tired?
I think many people know that feeling very well. And here's my question for you. Is your daily routine organized or a little messy?
Mine is very messy, I will be honest.
I believe you, Mr. Z. I believe you completely.
We will talk about all of this today. Morning routines, work routines, evening habits, everything.
Oh, before we start, can I say something quickly?
Of course, go ahead.
If you are enjoying this podcast, please hit the like button right now. And please subscribe to Podcast by Mr. Z.
Yes, subscribing is free. It takes 2 seconds. And it helps us reach more English learners around the world.
Share this episode with one friend who is learning English. Just one friend. That is all we ask.
Okay, now let us start. Morning routine. Let's go. Olivia, tell me honestly, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 every morning.
6:30 every morning?
Every morning, even on weekends.
That is not normal. That is superhuman.
It's just a habit. A habit is something you do automatically. You do it without thinking. Every day, same time, same action.
My habit is pressing the snooze button automatically, without thinking.
That is also a habit, just not a good one.
Fair. So what do you do first after you wake up?
First thing, I drink a glass of water.
Water, not coffee.
Water first, then coffee. Your body needs water after sleeping all night.
My body needs coffee first, then maybe water, maybe.
After water, I wash my face, I brush my teeth.
Yes, wash your face, brush your teeth, the basics.
Basics means the simple, necessary things, the most important things.
I do the basics too, but slowly, very, very slowly.
How slowly?
I once spent 40 minutes just deciding shower first or coffee first.
Mr. Z, that is 40 minutes of your morning gone.
I know, it's a problem. I accept this about myself.
Okay, after the basics, getting dressed. This is where I struggle.
Struggle means it is difficult for you. It is a challenge.
Yes, I open my wardrobe every morning. My wardrobe is where I keep all my clothes. I look inside and I think I have nothing to wear.
But you have many clothes, Mr. Z.
I know, but nothing looks right in the morning. I try one shirt, no. I try another, no. I try the first one again.
How long does this take?
Maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20, sometimes 30.
Okay, I have a solution for you.
Please tell me.
Choose your clothes the night before you sleep. Pick your outfit, lay it out. In the morning, just put it on.
No thinking?
No thinking, no stress, no wasted time.
That is very smart. I will try that tonight.
You said that last week too, Mr. Z.
This time I mean it. Okay, you're dressed. Now you need to go somewhere. Work, school, wherever your day takes you. This is called commuting. Commute means traveling from home to work or school.
Yes, the daily commute. How do you commute, Mr. Z?
I drive. I commute by car.
Is the traffic bad?
Always. Every single day. I sit in traffic and I talk to myself.
What do you say?
I say, why do I not wake up earlier? And then I press snooze tomorrow.
I commute by walking, about 20 minutes every morning.
20 minutes walking every day?
Yes, I enjoy it. I look at the trees, I breathe fresh air. Fresh air means clean, natural air, not inside a car or building.
I breathe car air. It is not the same.
No, it is not. But you can listen to podcasts in the car.
Yes, like this one. Podcast by Mr. Z. Perfect for your commute.
Perfect for commuting, cleaning, cooking, walking, anywhere.
Okay, you arrive. Work begins. What is your first thing at work?
I read my emails first, then I make a to-do list.
A to-do list is a list of tasks you need to finish today.
Exactly. It helps me stay organized.
My first thing at work is making coffee, then another coffee.
Mr. Z, how many coffees per day?
That is private information.
Let us talk about lunchtime. Do you bring food from home?
No, I always buy food near the office.
Buying every day is expensive.
It is, but I have no time in the morning. Remember the wardrobe problem?
Right, the wardrobe. I bring my lunch from home. I prepare it the night before, with my clothes.
So every night you prepare lunch and clothes for tomorrow?
Yes, it saves so much time in the morning.
Olivia, you are the most organized person I know.
It's just a routine. You can build one too.
Now, the dangerous time, 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Ah, yes, the 3 o'clock slump.
Slump means your energy goes very low. You feel slow and tired.
Yes, your brain feels heavy. Your eyes feel heavy.
At 3 o'clock, I look at my screen and I think I need to sleep.
I feel this too. What do you do?
Another coffee, obviously.
I drink green tea in the afternoon. No more coffee.
Does green tea actually work?
Yes, it's lighter than coffee. It helps you feel calm and focused.
Focused means your brain is working clearly on one thing.
Exactly. I also eat a small snack at 3.
A snack is a small amount of food between meals, not a full meal.
I eat an apple or some nuts, almonds, peanuts.
I eat biscuits with chocolate every time.
Of course you do.
The best moment of the day, coming home after work.
Yes, opening your front door, that feeling.
Amazing. The first thing I do, I take off my shoes.
Yes, and change into comfortable clothes immediately.
Comfortable clothes, soft pants, old t-shirt, pure happiness.
Exactly. No more work clothes.
Then I sit on the sofa. Just sit. I do nothing for 10 minutes.
That's actually very healthy. Your brain needs to decompress.
Decompress means to relax and release the stress of the day.
Yes, like a pressure cooker releasing steam. Your brain needs that.
I like that. My brain is a pressure cooker.
What about dinner? Do you cook?
I try. I am not a great cook. Once I made pasta.
How did it go?
I forgot it in the water too long. Very soft pasta.
How soft?
Like soup. Pasta soup.
Pasta soup is not a real dish, Mr. Z.
I invented it.
Now I make simple things. Eggs, rice, toast.
I love cooking in the evening. It relaxes me.
Really? Cooking relaxes you.
Yes, chopping vegetables, listening to music, very peaceful.
Chopping means cutting food into small pieces with a knife.
I chop carrots, onions, peppers. I make soup or stir fry.
That sounds very healthy, and I order food online.
Sometimes that is okay too. What do you do after dinner?
I watch a series, one episode, then one more, then one more.
The most dangerous 3 words, one more episode.
And then it is midnight, suddenly.
I read before bed, about 30 minutes.
I try to read, but I fall asleep after one page.
That means the book is relaxing you.
Very relaxing. What time do you sleep, Olivia?
10 o'clock. I'm a morning person. Early to sleep, early to rise.
I sleep at midnight, 1 o'clock, sometimes later.
Do you use your phone before bed?
Yes, just for a few minutes.
How many minutes really?
Maybe 1 hour.
Mr. Z, the blue light from your phone wakes your brain up.
Blue light is the light from your phone screen or computer screen.
It tells your brain it is still daytime. Do not sleep.
So my brain thinks it is noon at midnight.
Exactly. Try putting the phone down 30 minutes before bed.
30 minutes, no phone. I will try.
Your brain will thank you, and you will wake up easier.
My brain says thank you in advance, Olivia. Welcome to the Word Tour, the part of the show where we take 6 words from today's episode and really teach them to you. Listen carefully, repeat after us, make them yours.
Word 1, routine. What does it mean? A routine is a set of things you do every day in the same order. It's your regular pattern.
Example 1. My morning routine takes about 1 hour.
Example 2. Having a routine helps you feel less stressed.
Common mistake. Almost. I have a good program every day. Say this instead. I have a good routine every day. Olivia, what is one part of your routine you never skip?
My morning walk. It's part of my routine every single day.
Now you try. Say it. My routine is...
Word 2, habit. What does it mean? A habit is something you do automatically without thinking because you've done it many times before.
Example 1. Drinking coffee every morning is my habit.
Example 2, reading before bed is a healthy habit.
Common mistake. Almost. I have a custom to wake up early. Say this instead. I have a habit of waking up early.
Dear Z, what is your worst habit?
Pressing snooze. It's a bad habit, but it's my habit. Now your turn. Say it. I have a habit of...
Word 3, commute. What does it mean? To commute means to travel regularly between your home and work or school. The noun form is also commute, the daily commute.
Example 1. I commute to work by bus every day.
Example 2, my commute takes about 30 minutes.
Common mistake. Almost. I travel to office every day. Say this instead. I commute to the office every day. How long is your commute, Olivia?
20 minutes by foot. I enjoy my commute.
Now say it. I commute by...
What is your favorite snack, Mr. Z? Chocolate biscuits. Always chocolate biscuits. They are my snack of choice. Your turn. My favorite snack is... Word 5. Decompress. What does it mean? To decompress means to relax and let go of stress after a busy or tiring time, like releasing pressure slowly. Example 1. After work, I sit quietly for 10 minutes to decompress. Example 2. Listening to music helps me decompress after a long day. Common mistake. Almost. I need to calm after work. Say this instead. I need to decompress after work. How do you decompress in the evening, Olivia?
I cook and listen to music. That's how I decompress completely.
Say it now. After a long day, I decompress by word 6. Focused. What does it mean? Focused means your attention is fully on one thing. Your brain is working clearly and without distraction. Example 1. I feel more focused in the morning than in the afternoon. Example 2. She turned off her phone so she could stay focused. Common mistake. Almost, I cannot concentrate my mind today. Say this instead. I cannot stay focused today.
When do you feel most focused, Mr. Z?
After my second coffee. Before that, not focused at all. Your turn. I feel most focused when... Okay, everyone, let us review what we talked about today.
Yes, review time. This helps your brain remember everything.
Today we talked about daily life and routines.
Today we started with morning routines, waking up, the basics.
Wash your face, brush your teeth, drink water, make coffee.
Then getting dressed, and Olivia's tip, prepare your clothes the night before.
Then commuting, traveling from home to work or school.
By car, by bus, by walking, every commute is different.
At work, emails, to-do lists, tasks, and the 3 o'clock slump.
Snacks and green tea help with the afternoon slump.
Then evening, coming home, comfortable clothes, decompress.
Cook dinner or order food. Both are okay sometimes.
Watch something, read something, and sleep at a good time.
No phone before bed. Your brain needs to rest.
And today's 6 words: routine, habit, commute, snack, decompress, focused.
Use these words today, in a sentence, in your head, anywhere. The more you use them, the more natural they feel.
And that's our episode for today, everyone. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
Yes, thank you. We love our listeners so much.
Before you go, we have a challenge for you. Go to the comments right now and write this in English. Write one thing from your daily routine, just one thing. For example, I wake up at 7. I drink coffee first. I walk to work.
Anything, big or small, write it in English in the comments. We read every comment and we love seeing your English.
Also, are you a morning person or an evening person? Tell us.
I'm a morning person, very much a morning person.
I'm an evening person who is trying to become a morning person.
One day, Mr. Z, one day.
One day. Okay, everyone, if you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend learning English.
It means the world to us. It really does.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you next time.
This is Mr. Z, and this is Podcast by Mr. Z. Bye, everyone.
Bye.